Hey guys, I got a quick one out here for you all right now. Just been informed that while the counter protesters were involved, there were groups of them going around giving letters out saying that the convoy needs to move. They made an agreement. It's a lie. It's a lie. Break, 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 break. Get this out everywhere. Get this to every person out there. Just come down from the top. They've gone out and spread letters to the truckers. Truckers, in your trucks, do not move. Do not leave. There is no letter going out. There is no letter going around. This was part of the counter protesters shit. What they did, it's all a lie. Do not leave Ottawa. Do not back your trucks out. Do not leave the residential areas. You are good to go. Stand your ground. That's it. That's all. Stand your ground. Stand your ground. Hold the line, you guys. Counter protesters went out. They passed out letters. They acted like they knew what was going on. They acted like they knew what was happening. And they acted like participants in this. They weren't. It was part of the counter protest. Do not believe it. Ladies and gentlemen, the more people that I find in these chats, that I see these rumors that are saying that everybody was told to leave, everybody was told to walk, and that they're leaving, and when I catch your little chats and the conversations as I go through them, I will be blocking you. You will be banned from the page. I'm done with the rumors. I'm done with the bullshit. Everybody needs to get this message out right away. Do not read that letter. That letter is a false flag letter. They're trying to use the counter protesters to push you out. Hold the line. Hold the line. 100% do not move. Do what you got to do. Yes, the one with Tamara's letter's name on it. Yes, the one with Tamara's name on it. It's a lie. It's just been passed down. I just got it. You guys, they're working hard, man. To the truckers out there, good job not leaving yet. Do not, I repeat, do not move. Hold your ground. Do not leave Ottawa. Do not walk away. Do not pull your trucks out. Stand your ground. I need this shared out everywhere. Stand your ground. That's the whole point of those counter protesters, was to create a distraction. So while they had you all distracted, they were running around telling everybody that we had an agreement that we were leaving. You're not leaving. Do not leave. Do not leave. I'm telling you right now, I'm going to repeat it and repeat it and repeat it. You are not to leave. I understand, Doug, that Windsor got hit hard. Somebody called in a bomb threat. When the bomb threat was set, that put a bunch of things in motion. That had to be done by their guidelines, their stipulations. Do not give up the line, you guys. Do not. Hold your ground. Stand firm. Tamara would never back out of this. Trust me. Trust me when I say this, guys. We are a tight-knit group. We are a communicating group. We are holding the line for a reason. Do not, I repeat, do not back down. Why doesn't Tamara come out and say that? Because Tamara is holding her line with everybody else. The politics that that poor woman is under is incredible. So just trust me when I say this. This orders came from where they needed to come from. Do not move. That's it. That's all. Guys, they're going to attack you from every direction. They're going to come at you from every angle. They're going after your character. They're going after your loved ones. They're going after your cell phones. They're going after everything they can. Do not back down. Trust me. Hold the line. The politicians are hitting the floor tomorrow. Wait till you see what they're about to say. Hold that line.